How to use the SEO optimization panel to climb to the top of search engines, easily reach new users, and increase the number of visitors to your website. It is essential to improve the SEO optimization of your website. To optimize your site for SEO, click on the marketing tools icon on the right in the toolbar. Click on the SEO icon. From the global settings, you can manage the overall SEO of your website. Enter a clear and consistent site that aligns with your business. Add a brief description that summarizes the content on your website. Remember to include some keywords. To make sure you have written the description correctly, click Preview. It will be the preview of your website page on Google. Don't forget to click Save the changes. Click Advance to set the favicon for your website. Click on Upload Favicon to upload the favicon for your website. It is a very small icon that is displayed in the browser when a user navigates your website to verify your website on Search Console via the DNS record. Copy and paste the TXT record for verifying your site on Google Search Console and click Save. Through Google Search Console, you can measure organic traffic of your website and analyze the search keywords. Additionally, you can identify and resolve any issues with your site's pages and sitemap. Click on Sharing Information to create the sharing preview for your website on social networks. To upload a sharing image, simply click on Upload Image of approximately 1200 x 628 pixels. Add a short title and a description. The previews will be shown when your website is shared on a social network like Facebook or LinkedIn. You can create a QR code that your customers can scan to reach a specific page on your website. You can change its color and select the size. Click on Download QR code to download the PDF of the QR code. Click on Save to save all the changes made to the global settings. To optimize the SEO of individual pages on your website, go to the left and click on the page to edit. Uncheck if you simply choose not to index the page on the search engines. Click Save to save the changes. To optimize the textual content of your website, click on Text Optimization and assign the correct tag to the titles and paragraphs. To optimize the images on your website, insert alt tags for each individual image and click Save. Click on Sharing Information to create the sharing preview of your page on social networks. Upload an image, a title, and a sharing subtitle. You can create the QR code for the page by choosing the color and size, then clicking on Download QR code. To optimize the SEO of your web pages in other languages as well, click on General SEO. Select the language at the top right. Enter the title and description and click Save.